How you doing? I'm Rob with Mobile Auto Service. We have a 2003 Workhorse here today. It's a food truck. Customer complaint was the transmission was slipping when they would take off. RPMs would go up. Truck wasn't going nowhere. Came out, diagnosed it. Obviously, it needs a new transmission and a new torque converter. So that's what we're here to do today. So we got the old transmission drop, the new one put in, everything filled up, all the fluids are topped off, good to go. Tested the truck, perfect. Customer can have it back, be on their way.